Releasing on August 22 for $160, the UA Curry Series 7 World Tour showcases a futuristic leap in Steph Curry's signature footwear. Inspired by super shoes, the design features a flared heel and toe, a slim midfoot, and a central propulsion plate that enhances responsiveness. The thick midsole and ridged, sculpted outsole mirror the tech-forward ethos of the Curry Fox 2, blending marathon-ready form with basketball functionality. Its royal purple upper is accented by a vibrant multicolor sole, adding off-court appeal to its performance-driven profile. Interestingly, Series 7 doesn't mark the shoe's chronological place, it's a nod to the intensity of a 7-game playoff series, reinforcing Curry's competitive legacy. With hints of the original Curry 7, this new release reimagines the past through a cutting-edge lens, further solidifying Curry brand and Under Armour's evolution in sneaker innovation.